Hi everyone, the topic for today's video is Andi people. Andi people are an indigenous ethnic group of Dagestan. They represent a subethnic group of Avar people, meaning that despite speaking a separate language, the vast majority of them identify themselves as Avars. Andis call themselves Ravanal. The exact number of Andi is unknown, as long as the official census in Russia count them as Avars. The estimated number of Andis is approximately 40,000. The historical homeland of Andis is situated in Botlich district of Dagestan. Avar settlements also exist in the lowlands of Dagestan, such as Kızılyurt and Babayurt and Khasavyurt districts. Andis are Sunni Muslims. Remarkably, like neighboring Chechens and Ingurs, Andis adopted the teachings of Qadiriya school of Sufi Islam. Andis perform zikr, a form of Islamic meditation accompanied with the rhythmical movements in which prayers are repeatedly chanted. Andi language is a mother tongue of Andi people. It belongs to Avaro-Ando-Tsezi branch of Nakh Dagestani languages. It can be subdivided by two dialects, Upper Andi and Lower Andi. Andi is non-written language. The vast majority of Andis are fluent in Avar language. The archaeological records suggest that the historical homeland of Andi people has been populated by human beings since 3rd millennia before Christ. The ancestors of Andi were first mentioned in the ancient Assyrian sources. According to this source, in 9th century before Christ, the king Sargon II has conquered the land called Andiu and captured more than 4,000 local inhabitants. Andi took part in the anti-colonial war against Russia led by Imam Shamil. Andis are well known by a traditional woolen long, warm outer garment called burqa. In 19th century, Andis were capable of manufacturing 80,000 burqas per year. People from all parts of Caucasus were wearing this garment. Nowadays, craft of burqa is vanishing art, and only a handful of local craftsmen can still make it. Another sphere of traditional economy of Andis is salt from Kvanhidatl village. The dwellers of Kvanhidatl village have been harvesting salt from the salty springs for centuries. The salt-making process is quite complicated. The women collect the soil and the sand from a spring. The substance undergoes thermal processing until it turns to the pure crystals of salt. Salt from Kvanhidatl has a bitter taste and is served in the high-end restaurants of Dagestan. Thanks for watching us and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.